Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Keira Jules here with another wig review. Hey. Today is a special video because it is a collaboration with Magikalblackness. Hey Michelle, so this is not the first time I've done a collaboration with Magikalblackness. This is our second collaboration and this is a special one because it's our birthday month, February. Hey, my birthday's on February 22nd. Don't forget. So Michelle, happy birthday to you. Yes, I know it's not quite your birthday yet, but happy early birthday to you. It is our month. So today, the wig that I'm bringing you, it's not this wig, but it's the same company that I got this wig from. So make sure you click the link above to watch this review after you finish watching this video and after you finish watching Michelle's video. Now Michelle, love Michelle. I'm going to show you some clips of Michelle. Michelle, she slays wigs, she slays makeup. She's a model. Love Michelle. She's absolutely the sweetest. She will DM you out of the blue to make sure that you're okay. She's so thoughtful. I love Michelle. We're February babies. I love Michelle. Slay. And more slay. She's just always slaying. I'm telling you, the makeup, the hair, the nails, Michelle is just bomb. Make sure after you finish watching my video, you head on over to Magikalblackness, let her know that I sent you, and make sure you show her some love. So before we get into the details of the unit, we gotta talk about the lippy. Today I am wearing a Collab liquid lipstick, and it is in the color Blindfold. So you've got this beautiful red color. Okay, into the details of the unit that I'm reviewing today. So Luvme Hair was kind enough to send me another wig for review. It is another headband wig, but this one's different. I actually reviewed 2 other units of theirs, and today will be the 3rd one. So here is the beautiful purple and gold. Purple is my favorite color. If you don't know, now you know. Hey, if you don't know, now you know. You guys should be familiar. If you've been following me for a while, you are familiar with this. And I am a sucker for beautiful packaging, so I love this. And we are going to now unbox it so that you guys can see the goodies that I got. So I got the same headbands that I got before. So I'm going to insert a clip of those headbands and then we will return to the wig. And here is the wig. It's blonde. So if you have been following me for a while, you guys know that I don't normally review blonde wigs just because I don't normally gravitate towards blonde wigs. But this is a very nice one. So this is a 613 and it's a headband wig. The headband straps here. Then you've got 2 combs on either side. You have a comb in the middle. Then you've got a comb in the middle at the back, and there are no adjustable straps. So you've got the 1B at the roots, and then you've got the blonde. So that is why I'm wearing this red lippy, because I don't know what it is about blonde, but whenever I bring out the blonde, I feel like I gotta put on a red lippy. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like straight out of the package. Actually, the 3rd wig that I've reviewed for them. So thank you so much to Luvme Hair. I really appreciate it. So this is their 1B 613 headband wig. It is a human hair wig and the length is 22 inches. The 1B at the roots and then the ends are 613 and it's two-tone all the way through. I love the fact that it has a dark root because then it matches more with my natural hair color. But this wig it's nice. It's blonde is not normally a color that I would wear, but this is actually quite nice. So it comes down to here at the front. This is the left side. This is the right side. And this is the back. And for reference, I'm 5'2½". Yes, the half counts. And I always tell you guys my height because all of us are different heights. The wigs will look different on someone who's taller or someone who's shorter. So this kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of how it might look on you. Now, I will put the details to this wig in the description box below. Also, check out the description box for my coupon code so you can save some money on any wig that you purchase from Luvme Hair. This is a human hair wig, so you can color this wig, which I think I'm actually going to color this wig. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should color this wig. You can color it / dye it. Now make sure you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, make sure you have a professional that knows what they're doing. Do it for you. You can curl this wig. It is already straight. But yeah, it's a very beautiful wig. It's soft. The hair is very soft. It's a very realistic density, so it's not overly thick. There's no tangling, there's no shedding. Very beautiful. So this being a headband wig, you guys, I'm sure, are tired of seeing headband wigs. The reason though why I'm bringing you so many different kinds of headband wigs because every company is different. A deep curl with one company is a different deep curl with another. You know, even lengths I find vary between different companies. And so I like to bring you different lengths, different styles, different textures, different colors. That way you guys can kind of see what these wigs look like from different companies. So what I'm going to do with this headband wig. So you guys already know with headband wigs, they're very versatile. They're convenient. You can wear them for, and I say this in like all my headband wig videos, you can wear them to the gym, you can wear them to the grocery store, you can wear it around the house if you just want to throw something on without having to do your hair. Your Zoom calls, we're all on Zoom calls these days because we're all kind of still, at least where I am in Canada, we're shut down. So we're all still inside. So it's very good for Zoom calls. And they're very versatile. You can restyle them. If you're suffering from hair loss, you can always wear the headband forward. Now, as you can see, I've folded the headband. So the headband actually comes forward more. So if you are experiencing head loss, we're not losing our heads here. If you are experiencing any hair loss, you can always wear the headband all the way forward, or you can wear it a little bit back like I have. I tend to prefer to wear it folded just because I like the look better, and also because when you wear the headbands, there are some that are thinner, so this helps to conceal that black band if you want to totally conceal the black band. The headbands that I received. So you do get 5 free headbands with any headband wig that you purchase through Luvme Hair. I will restyle, so that's another plus with these headband wigs. So I'm sort of going through the pros and cons as we go. So headband wigs are also very, very, very convenient because they're versatile. So you can actually restyle them. So I'm actually going to show you a few styles. Now, I find that it's a little more challenging to restyle straight hair versus curly hair. I find that curly hair is very, very easy to restyle just because of the fullness of it. So I'm going to restyle this in a couple of styles, but make sure you click the link above to check out my other reviews where you can see lots of different ways to style headband wigs. I do have a headband wig playlist, so make sure you check out that playlist. That way you can see I've reviewed wigs from synthetic headband wigs to human hair headband wigs, from very budget-friendly headband wigs to a little more pricey. Curly, long, straight, short, all kinds of headband wigs. So make sure you click that link above so you can check out my headband wig playlist to see all of the headband wigs that I have reviewed. Okay, so now I'm going to restyle this. So this is a headband that I got with another wig. I'm not even sure. I've got so many headbands at this point. I don't remember, but I think this one looks pretty nice with it. Now, if you are looking for additional headbands, so these ones are printed. They also do have some solid colored headbands. I actually got some really nice ones from Amazon, so I will put those links in the description as well. And I also have some fellow wig reviewers, wig bays, who also sell headbands. I will put their links in the description box as well. And so this is my look. So I'm going to actually put in some clips or like some pictures of this outfit because this is like my birthday look. Because that was the special collaboration we did. So my outfit slate for this collaboration consists of this beautiful blue satin shirt that I purchased from Fashion Nova. I put a tube top underneath, the black tube top underneath the shirt, and I'm wearing them with just some leggings that I've had for a long time. They're like a satin feel leggings. Now, this is the label for the Fashion Nova shirt. And I forgot to put on shoes in these pictures. So these are the shoes that I had intended on wearing with this outfit. These are red suede shoes. I think they're bomb. I'm going to put this outfit together again and put some pics on Instagram. Stay tuned. Okay, so that is my review for today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload, you will get the notification. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I do post lots of stuff on there that you won't see here on YouTube. My Instagram is Keira Jewels. Actually, all my social media links are in the description below. Don't forget to check the description for the link for this wig as well as my coupon code so you can save some money. Make sure you head on over to Michelle, Magical Blackness. Let her know that I sent you. Make sure you show her some love. I thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. And before we go, we gotta do wig dance, wig dance, wig dance, wig dance, wig dance. Bye guys, love you. Bye guys.